Welcome to RaceNet's preview for the Gold Coast on Wednesday. We've got 7 races on the card. The weather's been fine and the track should race good. We're going to try and build a bank in race 1 with Show'em. Having his first start since transferring from Richard Freedman to Tony Sears, he showed good speed and courage to hold them all off in a small but competitive Class 3 field on a heavy track at Ipswich over the 1350. He's performed well up to the 1600 metres in the past, and Malung stays on. The 2 kilo claim helps, and from the inside gate in this Class 4 over the 1400 metres, he can lead or sit off the speed and continue his winning way. Our best bet for the day comes up early in the card in race 2 with Darktown Strutter. He found the 1110 metres in Saturday City class beyond him last start after being used up early and is much better suited here. He loves this track, being unbeaten in 3 starts, twice at the distance, and gets the services of Jeff Lloyd, who's won on him previously. He has the speed to overcome his awkward gate. If he gets cleanly away, he should be too fast for these. Our value play for the day comes up in race 4 with Houdini the Great. He's a former Darren Weir runner who has now had 2 runs on the Gold Coast since transferring north to join the Chris Wallace stable. He ran on well for second in a good benchmark 80 over the 1400 metres when fresh, and followed up with a solid effort for 5th in a benchmark 75 over this distance last start. He goes up in class but should be reaching peak fitness with a 5 kilo drop in weight, plus Michael Carl getting back on. He could be hard to hold off over the final stages. The quaddy kicks off in race 4, and we're fairly confident in 2 of the legs, but we're going wider in the other ones, hoping for some value. In the first leg, we've got numbers 5 and 6. We've taken our value runner Houdini the Great, along with Grafton Galloper Push the Sky Away, who's won his both starts at this distance, including one at the Gold Coast. Race 5, we've got numbers 1, 9, 3 and 4. This is a maiden with plenty of chances, and we've gone fairly wide with our top 4 rated runners. In race 6, we've got numbers 14 and 13. This is another maiden. The splitter will find this much easier than the Magic Millions. From the inside gate with Jim Byrne to ride, gets his chance to break through. The danger may be Piero filly Fusspot, who's resuming but trialled very strongly. She'll be running on. In race 7, we've got numbers 2, 1, 3 and 6. Scorcher is resuming, and her recent trial was strong. With Jim Byrne to ride, she'll be hard to hold out. Pride of Destiny was run down late at the Sunshine Coast when resuming. He placed at his only start here and should be prominent. Conquers All just missed at Moolumbar last start. He's won here and placed in similar class races 3 starts back. And the value runner may be Lyrical Prince, who weakened at Ipswich last start but could improve on his home track with the blinkers added. Good luck with your selections at the Gold Coast.